Hello everyone, welcome in the online class from St.JOSEPH'S Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. Students, due to Unit Test 1, today we are going to start revision from chapter 1 to 7. The syllabus for the unit test is chapter 1 to 15, but we will conduct it in two parts. So let us start chapter 1 to 7 revision. These chapters already we have done. So let us start with the first topic, that is draw road signs. So road signs, you have to draw the traffic routes are given on the road. When we are walking on the road, we saw there are yellow color boards are there on the roads and there are some signs are there. So what these signs indicate? You have to draw it and color it also. In one slide, I'll show you the question, and in the next slide, I'll show you answer so that you can tally your answers. The first one is cyclist ahead. You have to draw the road sign for it. What sign you saw on the road for if there is cyclist ahead? Means. Number 2 is road narrow both sides. When the construction is going on or some road work is going on or naturally some roads are narrow. So which sign you saw? Number 3, children ahead. Sometimes schools are there on the main roads. Then this sign is mostly all of you are seeing for the children ahead. You have to draw these 3 signs. I hope all of you understand. Now let us see the answers, the signs for the road. Look here, that this is for cyclists ahead. Sometimes cycle patches are there for the cyclist. That is meant only for cycling. And road narrow. This sign indicates that the ahead road is narrow. Next one, the third sign, that is children ahead. So these are the 3 road signs I have given. You tell your answers. Now come to the next topic, that is give one word answers. Questions are in front of you. You have to give only one word answers, not long answers. Number 1, name the Indian official card used for Indian identity of citizenship. Our Indian government is issuing some cards, some certificates. So you have to give the name of the card which is used for Indian identity of citizenship. Here is number 2 question. Name the Indian official card established the identity of a person and makes him eligible to vote. For voting, to cast the vote, which card is issued by the government officials? The first one is the card which is showing the identity of citizenship, that we belong to India. We are the citizens of India. Number 1, the card required for voting, to cast the vote. These all the cards are issued by Indian government or some authorities of Indian government. Here are the answers of this one word question. Aadhaar card. Number 1 is the Aadhaar card which identify that we are the citizens of India. Number 2 is the voter ID card to cast the vote. This voter ID card is required. Now come to the next question. Harmful activities which harm the environment. Students, we are doing in our daily life, knowingly or unknowingly, many activities which create harm to our environment, which damage our environment. So if we want to live happy life, our environment should be good, healthy environment. So here we will discuss that which harmful activities we are doing which create harm to our environment. There are the harmful activities, that is waste paper. We are wasting the paper. We are simply writing, and if it is not good, we are throwing it in the dustbin. We are wasting the paper. And something we can do on the, like students are doing the revision on the copy, if you use the boards, that can save the paper. Use of plastic bags. These plastic bags create harm. Now next is the cutting trees. Nowadays, for making the houses, dwells, and these trees are cutting down day by day. The size of the forest is decreasing. So when these things are happening, then what is the damage? What is the harm to us? Trees gives oxygen. Due to this greenery, tall trees, they attract the clouds. Rain is there. So when the trees are cutting down, wasting of the paper, and we are using the plastic bags, they create harm. Burning wood. When we are burning the wood, or in the forest, there is the fire is there, then carbon dioxide is produced in a large quantity. And next one is the wastewater. How we are wasting the water when we are dumping the waste in the nearby roads, ponds, or farmers, animals are taking the bath there, and people are doing the brushes and bathing and washing their clothes in the rivers. So that activities make the water dirty, and it is not good to drink, even for not for animals also. So in this way, we are creating harm to our environment, to our atmosphere. These all are the harmful activities which we should avoid. Now our next topic is true or false. Here are some sentences which you have to tell that these are true or these are false. I'll show you the answer afterward. Number one, gibbons are primates. So students, what are primates? First of all, we must know what are primates. Primates are the animals which belong to the group of the mammals that include human beings, apes, and monkeys. They are called primates. So human beings, apes, and the monkeys are called the primates, and they are the mammals. So you have to find out that gibbon are primates or not. Number two, dumping waste in rivers will save our environment. Dumping waste in rivers will save our environment. Number three, PAN card have 16 digits number. Some cards are having the digits. Number is there, PAN card number. Then on Aadhaar card also number is there. So how many digits are there on the PAN card? Number four, passport is required for international travel. If you want to visit to other country, one document is required. That is called passport. So passport is required for international travel or not, or we can travel without passport. Some countries give us permission to travel without passport, but maximum need it. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. So now, reptiles and the cold-blooded. Reptiles are the cold-blooded. Why we tell them cold-blooded? Because reptiles have backbone and they breathe air with lungs. They have well-developed lungs. They can breathe dry air. So here are 5 true false. Now come to the answers. The answers of the true false, number 1, A part, true. B, false. C, false. D, true. E, true. These are the answers of the true false. You can check your answers. If any wrong, please correct. Now next one is the match the following. Two columns are there, left and right. You have to match the correct answer of the left column. I'll read the left column for you. Number A, only egg-laying mammal. Which is the only egg-laying mammal? B, champion plant. There are some plants which we call them champion. Why we call them champion? Because they have some special quality in them. Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap is trapping the insects. They are the carnivorous plants. Ibex, Gila monster, and the longest snake. Which is the longest snake? Ibex. What is ibex? Why it is called like this? So ibex is the wild goat found in the mountains, and it has long curved horns, and they live in the herds, not alone. They live in the herds. And the second side, python, snake, strange animal, platypus, reptile, coast redwood. Coast redwood, I will tell you the champion plant. Why it is champion plant? Why it is called the champion plant? Because this coast redwood tree is found in the California, and it is very tall. It is 115.55 meters tall. That's why the coast redwood tree is called the champion. Carnivorous plants are the plants. They are eating the small insects. Now let us see the answers. I discussed the left and the right sides both. Now you check the answers. Number 1, platypus. Number 2, coast redwood. Number 3, carnivorous plants. Number 4, strange animals. Number 5, reptiles. So you check your answers. Number next is the python. Let's come to the next topic. And the next topic is fill in the blanks. Here are some blanks are there. You have to fill it. Number A, dash insect can leap 20 times the length of its body. So how much can leap? How much can jump? 20 times the length of its body. You have to give the name of the insect. Number B, the male insect creep by rubbing their wings together. Number C, the largest reptiles are the dash of Southeast Asia, which can grow up to 19 feet in length. The largest reptile are the dash of Southeast Asia, which can grow up to 19 feet in length. D, dash was as early reptile. It lived 315, 312 million years ago. Early reptile. And they lived 315, 312 million years ago. Next is the dash of about 250 species of snakes is able to kill a human. The dash of 250 species of snakes is able to kill a human. These are the fill in the blanks. You have to fill it. Now is the time to check the answers. Answers of fill in the blanks are here. Number 1, grasshopper can leap 20 times the height of their body. And number 2 answer is cricket. Number 3, crocodile. And the crocodile's length is, they are the largest and their length is 19 feet, up to 19 feet. Next, the holonomous E, venom. The E is the venom. So the venom of 250 species of snake is able to kill a human. This is the answer of venom. The venom means poison of snake. Snakes are having 2 pouches in their neck full of poison. This is called venom. So these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Now our next topic is answer the following questions. We will come to the question answers. Here is the first question. Which insect carries and spread disease germs? You have to give the name of the insect who carries and spread disease germs, carrier of the germs. Number 2, which is the longest snake in the world? Longest. Number 3, which is the largest reptile? Largest reptile. Number 4, which is the longest insect? So here are the questions. First one is, which insect carries and spread disease germs? Number 2, which is the longest snake in the world? Number 3, which is the largest reptile? Number 4, which is the longest snake insect? Here are the answers. So, carrier of disease germ is cockroach. Already you have seen, found all maximum houses are having, or where there is the sewage, where you can find it there. So python. Number 2 answer is the python. So python is the longest snake in the world. And the next answer is crocodile. So crocodile is the largest reptile. Crocodile is the largest reptile. Number 4, stick insect. So what is stick insect about? It is longest insect. So these are the answers of question answers. You tally your answers. Now with this, your revision part is over, and now is the time of assignment. Students, you have to revise chapter 8 to 15 for the revision test. Revision of chapter 1 to 7 is over, and next time we will conduct the revision of chapter 8 to 15. So please, all of you revise it. Go through it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.